Once upon a time, in a village nestled between snow-capped mountains, there lived a young girl named Alara, who had a peculiar companion. Every winter, when the sun's rays were at their weakest, she would see a small bird with feathers as white as snow hopping around her windowsill. This little bird was no ordinary creature. It was a winter sunbird, a rare species that thrived in the coldest months, basking in the weak sunlight and feeding on frozen berries. Alara first spotted this bird one day while she was gazing out of her window during a particularly harsh winter. The biting wind had forced everyone indoors, and even the squirrels had sought refuge in their burrows. But there it was, a tiny bird with ruffled feathers trying to keep itself warm. Moved by its plight, Alara opened her window and offered the bird some crumbs from her bread. The little creature hopped closer, its eyes bright with gratitude, and gobbled up the offering in no time. From that day on, the bird became a regular visitor. Every morning, just as the sun began its journey across the sky, it would appear at Alara's window, chirping merrily and waiting for its daily treat. In return, Alara would spend hours talking to the bird, sharing her dreams and fears, and the bird would listen patiently, its head cocked to the side, as if understanding every word she said. As the weeks went by, their bond grew stronger. The sight of the little bird filled Alara with joy and hope, reminding her that even in the coldest, darkest days, life still found a way to thrive. It was a small spark of happiness in an otherwise dreary winter. But as all good things must come to an end, so too did the winter. The days grew longer and warmer, and the snow melted into sparkling streams, and with the arrival of spring, the winter sunbird vanished as quickly as it had come. Alara searched for it every day, but the bird was nowhere to be found. Its sudden disappearance left a void in her heart, and she missed its cheerful presence every day. As the vibrant colors of autumn began to paint the landscape, Alara's thoughts turned to her feathered friend. Had it been a year since the winter sunbird had graced her windowsill? A year of not hearing its sweet chirps or seeing its snow-white feathers? The memory of the bird's gentle presence brought a bittersweet ache to her heart. Then one day, just when Alara was about to lose hope, she saw a familiar shape flitting among the trees outside her window. Could it be? With bated breath, she watched as the bird landed on her windowsill. And there in the fading light, she saw the most beautiful creature she had ever laid her eyes on. Its feathers were a dazzling display of white and gold, shimmering like 1,000 tiny suns. And as it tilted its head, she could see that one feather was a deeper red than the rest, like a drop of blood against the snow. Overcome with joy, Alara rushed to open the window, and the bird fluttered inside, perching on her finger. It was the winter sunbird, back from its long journey. Tears of happiness streamed down Alara's face as she looked into its bright, intelligent eyes. In that moment, she knew that their bond was something truly special. And so their story continued, the girl and the winter sunbird, bound together by an extraordinary friendship that had blossomed in the heart of winter. The bird who loved the winter sun had returned, bringing warmth and joy into Alara's life once more.